Hi, good morning, welcome back to Mike Makes It. Do you recall the name MJJC? Well, earlier I did a review on their foam cannon, the Foam Cannon Pro on my Land Rover. Worked really well. What I would have liked to have done at the time is use MJJC foam in liquid as well, but that wasn't available to me. But look what's come in the post. They've reached out and they've sent me one of these free of charge. 600 milliliter MJJC foam. So we'll get that out the pack and have a little look. All right, there you go. There's a 20-ounce bottle, 600 millilitres in English. MJJC foam. Snow foam shampoo, foam cannon and foam guns. That's what it's suitable for. It says super soft. We'll see what it's like. Refreshing aroma. I've not took it out the bottle, so to speak. It's got a sealed cap. So once we got it out to the car and we mix it up in here, we'll have a little sniff, see what it's like. It's about a 10-to-1 mix, it says on the back here. So we'll try that exactly as they state on here, and we'll see how foamy it is. I will compare it with another foam cleaner I've got, just to see if this is more effective or foamier, and we can compare the prices. Not too sure how readily available this will be in the UK. I suspect Amazon will have it. I'll have the answer at the end of the video. But yeah, we'll fire this up on the truck, and we'll see the effect. Right, the main aim of the test today is to see how good this product is, the MJJC foam. But I am going to put it up against the Demon foam, which I normally use in the foam cannon. But we'll mix both products up as per recommended. This is a 10-to-1 solution on the MJJC foam, and I'm going to do a similar amount on there. I've got a black car. I'm going to put the foams on. What I'm going to do is wash the car down first with water, so we got an even start. Then I'm going to go on with the Demon foam at the 10-to-1 mix on the maximum capacity on here, the maximum foam ability. You'd have seen my earlier video, hopefully, on the MJJC foam cannon, and you can alter the intensity of the foam. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to whack that up to maximum on this one first, have a little look at it, see the results. Wash the car off with water again, then go over to the MJJC foam with the same setting on the cannon and just try to compare the two. Going to be a little bit difficult, but we'll give it a go. So we'll get out of the car, rinse it off, fire this one up first, rinse the car, then back over to this one. All right, here's said black car. We'll give it a quick rinse, let it drain off a little bit, then we go straight on with the first test. Right, Demon foam, 10-to-1 mix, first test. Well, that seems very watery. That's not really foam. That's more a bit of a mess on the car. So we'll swap over to the other mix, which is the MJJC foam. Right, we're tanked up with MJJC foam now in the same gun, same setting. We'll see what the difference is. I have rinsed down the car. That's a massive difference, and that's honestly the same setting, same mix for the two different foams, and you can see the difference. We'll compare the two on the video now side by side just so you can see. But of course this stuff is for pre-wash, so you do this over your old car, get all the grime off it to start with, rinse this down, then you go over with your main shampoo. But on the truck I got, you may recall I got a Land Rover. It's 20-year-old paintwork, so I generally just foam the car up like that, get on with a sponge, give it a good clean down, and it always works well. But yeah, that's a heck of a difference. So yeah, certainly in this instance, in this test, the MJJC foam seems to do the business. Thanks for watching.